The Giving Tree is a children's book by Shel Silverstein, published in 1964. The book tells the story of a lifelong relationship between a boy and a tree. In the beginning of the story, a young boy and a tree become friends. The boy climbs the tree, swings from its branches, eats its apples, and sleeps in its shade. As the boy grows older, he starts to need more things from the tree: money, a boat, and a house. Each time the boy asks the tree for something, the tree gladly gives it to him. As the boy becomes an old man, he returns to the tree one last time, now in need of a quiet place to rest. The tree, now just a stump, offers the old man a seat and tells him that she has nothing left to give. The man sits on the stump and the tree is happy once again, knowing that she has provided everything that the boy, now an old man, ever needed. The story of the Giving Tree teaches a lesson about unconditional love, the value of friendship and sacrifice, and the importance of appreciating what we have. The tree gives everything to the boy, even if it means sacrificing her own well-being, and she does so without expecting anything in return. The boy, on the other hand, takes from the tree without realizing the true value of what he has been given until it is too late. Overall, The Giving Tree is a touching and thought-provoking story that has been beloved by generations of children and adults alike.